Alright, today we'll be unboxing, looking at this Hamilton Beach coffee maker. 12 cup. Looks pretty nice, Pretty decent sized box. Manual. Sweet. Carton. Sweet. Coffee maker. Nice. We got this at Walmart for how much? Muddies. $35. Plus tax, obviously. Let's see how this looks. Pretty nice, actually. Yeah? You like it? Feels good in your hand. Let's see what this thing looks like.
Very lightweight.
Very lightweight?
Very lightweight.
That's good. Sort of.
Short cord.
Very short cord, actually. How? That's only like what? 2 feet max? Not even 2 feet. Well, actually, probably about 2 feet now. That's a huge.
12 cup.
12 cups. Wow, 12 cups is huge. Why do we need it that big?
They all come with 12 cups.
Yeah, most of them come with 12 nowadays. Trying to compete, bigger is better. What is that? Oh, that's where you pour the water in. Cool. Then it goes over there. See, it flows through the back. So that's convenient. Just pop this little thing and pour the water in, and you can see right here how much water you got in there. Cool. Where do you put the coffee in? Oh, I think it's glued, babe. Right here. There we go. Whoa. That's fancy. You don't see this every day. Is our table crooked or is this?
It's lightweight, cheaply made. What else can I say about it?
Lightweight, cheaply made. Sounds awesome. Sounds like a great buy at Walmart.
I mean, for 35 bucks, you can get better.
Peel here, it says. I'm gonna help Mila peel here. There we go. I'd have to say though, overall it looks a lot nicer than most of them. Just the way it looks.
It's lightweight. That's pretty much it.
Well, why you want it to be heavy?
Just, I don't know.
True.
Cheap. Very cheap.
I wonder if you can take this off to wash it with. Or is it just kind of...
It's very
No,
cheap.
you can't take it off. But the bucket comes off.
It's very cheaply made. I don't like it.
I think they're all cheaply made.
Yeah, the last one was better than this thing. For 35 bucks.
Very, very nice. Let's plug her in and make some coffee, Mila. Alright, let's plug this amazing Hamilton Beach coffee maker in. The plug. Ooh, fancy clock. Hey, at least the clock looks awesome compared to the other ones we've had. I don't know, I like this thing. Feels good.
Cheap.
But overall it's cheap. But what do you expect for $34? Expensive? I hope you don't expect expensive. This is easy to take off and clean. But seems... Oh yeah.
Seems like the Richka's gonna break really fast.
Yeah, it seems like this might break. But I don't think so though. Unless you... I don't know. Yeah. I don't know. Alright, we're gonna brew some water. Because we don't want to make coffee at 8 o'clock at night. Let's... Pours pretty good. And this level's going up. So we got about 10 cups, looks like, exactly, to brew. Let's see how long it'll take. 8:01, start. It's almost done, but let's try the taking it out. Nice. No spillage. Looks like there's something there. It got burnt. Nice. Works. Alright, and it's ended the coffee making process. 10 cups in, what, 11 minutes or so? Basically 10 minutes, about. So, I would say about a cup per minute. Not too bad, not too bad, not too bad. Kind of fogged up this clock here. Let's see what it looks like inside. Ooh, steamy. Yeah. I don't know how long it'll last, but it's kind of weird too that it fogs everything up here when you open it. It's all wet. Hopefully they're water sealed. Anyways, that's the look at the Hamilton Beach coffee maker at Walmart for 35 bucks. Alright, thanks for watching.